Hey, this is Travis Young. I've been playing drums for 10 years now. I'm in a band called Ajeva, A-J-E-V-A, an all-original funk band, and we tour the southeast region of the United States. I play the 5AR Reach drumsticks from Collision because I love the longer stick. It gives me a little bit extra power there when I'm going for it. I love the feel of the sticks. I love the community that Collision's created and the support and how they care for their drummers that they endorse. The video I'm about to play is from a song called Motown Money, and it was at our performance at our hometown venue called Janice Live. Enjoy.
Is nothing new. Your power lies in now. Excuses aren't allowed. Your struggles will dissolve in time. The matter's finding how. Let's change the energy of things that happened previously. Right now. Thoughts will not control me. Thoughts will not control me. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Thoughts will not control me. Thoughts will not control me. Just for you, just for you.
I wake up in the morning with this thought inside my head. Any bad that happens is better than being dead. Take my universal bread and jump out of the bed, creatively connecting everything that lies ahead. I'm thinking and breathing by the power of God, feeling the healing, believing in the power of now. Not might now, but right now. So let your light shine down to illuminate your crown, turn your frown upside down, put a smile on your face. Let's work together to make the world a better place. It's time we elevate to a new human race and harness the power of the empty space. I'm talking 99.99%. It's heavenly descent, a benediction of benevolence, ubiquitous intelligence, showing us the elegance of universal resonance. The power is now, so it's time we begin. I want the track back so I can say it again. The power is now, so it's time we begin. I want the track back so I can say it again. on.
Future, future's creeping up. Future, future's creeping up. Thank you kindly, thank you kindly. If you just got here, ladies and gentlemen, we're at Java, AJEVA from St. Petersburg, Florida. Come talk to Nook over in the back right. He's got some merchandise for you and free stuff as well.